Ooh, this is real bad. Here is my old transmission. It spilled in my truck on the way home. Filth. Alright guys, if you've been watching my videos lately, you'll know that I just got a new transmission, a new clutch, and because my old transmission was had a little issue with the 5th gear and just had a couple other issues. So today I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this back housing off the transmission where the 5th gears sit and see what kind of damage we've got inside of there, see what was actually going on this whole time. A lot of metal in there. Oh, something fell and went right in there. Oh, a broken shift fork. Check that out. Ooh, this is real bad. I don't want to, but I'm gonna reach into the oil bucket to get the rest of the shift fork out of there. Oh my God, that's terrible. There it is. That's the rest of it. Damn. That is some serious shit. So let's take a look at what we got here. This is the inside of the case. You can see that there is some wear on this case, maybe from that shift fork. We've got a chunk here. This is half of the shift fork. So here's where the real damage is. So we've got broken shift fork. Here's the other half of it. Goes just like that. So that's one thing. Looks like I already had the 5th gear fix nut. So it's got the Allen key in there, and someone put a little bit of bubblegum weld on there. Now here for the main event. Look at this 5th gear. Oh, it is trashed. That is so bad. That is insane. Now keep in mind, guys, I probably drove with this gear like this for a good while, and it was just making a whole lot of noise. I wonder why. Oh, you can see this too. See how that has that much play on the shaft? That's because this shaft is not the updated shaft. So this whole 2 inches of gear, there's only spline on this shaft, only about 1/2 inch. So those splines will get worn out and they'll get, you know, kind of balled over, and they'll allow for wear. So that's probably where some of my initial noise was coming from. I don't know how the teeth broke off. That's kind of a shocker to me. But this is some serious shit. I'm glad I replaced it instead of just trying to fix it. This would have been a little pricey. Not to mention every single bearing in this transmission is now completely coated in just fine metal shavings, so it would have needed an entire rebuild, which is just crazy. You can just buy them cheaper than that. So that's crazy. That's the carnage. That is what happened to my 5th gear in my 99 Ram 3500. So if you're having problems with your Ram and your NV4500 with 5th gear, it could be this. It could be this bad. It could be broken shift fork, chipped tooth gears. I mean, it could be bad. So alright, well, thanks for watching this little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, let me know so I can try to make more videos like this, or I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. So I had a lot of fun making this video. Had a lot of good friends helping me, and couldn't have done it without them. Couldn't have done it without Jim at Savage 4x4 for loaning us his shop and all of his tools to get this job done. We really couldn't have done it without him. We'd still be working on it right now if we didn't have him, because we'd be laying on our backs doing it in the dirt. So super grateful for him and that opportunity. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next one.